guys, it's Andrea with Chalk Vibes. Thank you for joining my opportunity group. I wanted to take the time to kind of show you exactly what it takes to be able to become a creator, some of the benefits of being a creator, kind of how I got started, and what I've done with the business, and in little options that you can do with take your business into as well. So to start off with, the first thing you have to do in order to become a creator is purchase one of our starter kits. I've got in front of me what basically comes in the $69 kit, and I'm gonna go through that and show you that. But the starter kit is what we consider the basics, just to get you going, started, trying things out. Just it's a little bit of everything that we offer here at Magnolia Design Co. So this kit is $69, and it's valued at around $150, depending on what they take in or out of it during the season. But it is generally about a $150 value for the $69 kit. On occasions, we'll have different other size kits, like a $99 kit or the $199. But $69 kit is the one that I always tell everybody to get. Get $69 kit, and then you're gonna get your discount to get whatever you really want. So that's always my suggestion for everybody. So what is in the kit? Okay, so you're gonna get a one of our chalkboards. This is one of my favorites. I love this one. So you get this. I think it's a 9x12. I believe that's the size. Don't make me quote, but it's a very nice chalkboard. And then you're also going to get this base, which is removable. You may get a black one, you may get a white one. Sometimes they put the white ones in there. I've already chalked on the back side, so it's got a nice little stand here, and you can turn them either way. So it can go up or down or sideways. You'll get one of these, and like I said, it might be a black chalkboard or it might be white. You're going to get a 5x7 stencil. They do change the stencils out seasonally. Usually we'll get about 4 different kits a year. So you will get a 5, I think this is a 5x7. Yes, you'll get a 5x7 stencil. You'll get usually a pack of minis. They'll go with the season. Like right now it's Valentine's. You'll get this Valentine's minis. But you'll definitely, it'll be a 8.5x11. This is an 8.5x11 stencil. And then right now they have, you'll also get, I didn't have the big thing. It'll be a big stencil with Magnolia stuff on it. This was the only one I could find that's part of it. It says Magnolia Design Co. And then there's one that's got a big Magnolia on it. But I didn't have that to show you, so I might have to find that one. It's been several years since I got my starter kit, so I didn't have it. And then right now they have our transfers in there too. So this is just a fall one. I think right now it's a spring kind of roses one. But these are great. These are you put it on there, and it kind of, you push it to kind of transfer over. And you'll also get the tool for the transfers as well. I don't have a burnishing tool either. So, but you'll get one of those. I couldn't find it. You'll get the catalog. You'll get, and you might have seen underneath here is the apron. So you'll get the Magnolia Design Co. apron. And you're going to get 3 big jars of chalk paste. The colors may vary, but typically you're going to get at least a black and a white. This is a almond latte, so I didn't have white. I've used all my white. So, but just for reference, you'll get 3 jars of chalk paste. Typically black, white, and then they'll alternate this color over here. Right now, I think it's a mulberry color that you get. You're going to get chalk chips. You'll get a pack of 12 of chips. And these are perfect for the mini stencils to go on. You can make ornaments out of them. You can do so many little things with them. And they're great to practice on too. So if this is new for you, this is a perfect practice. And they're washable. You can wash it right off. You get a board eraser. These things are awesome. So whenever you get ready to change your design out on your thing, you can clean your board, and you can also wash your stencils with it. Stencil cleaner, sorry. It's called a stencil cleaner, but you can clean your board with it and you can clean your stencils with it. Calling it the wrong thing. This is not the exact book you get, but you get a Magnolia Design Co. little book. You get a pen. This is not the pen either, so I'm improvising on the stuff that you get. So, but this is basically what you get for the $69 kit. So it's really, you know, worth the value of the $69 kit. It's really, you know, worth it. I mean, as you can see, these are, when you start buying stuff, these would be like $9 a piece. You know, this is like, I think a $12 board, you know, with your discount. So once you add it all up, it's a great deal, the $69 kit. And then once you purchase your kit, as a creator, you get 35% off all your orders after that. So if you look at our website, our prices are really one of the best out there for our stencil companies. Other stencil companies, their prices are a lot higher. So with our prices and that extra 35% off, the prices of the products are really good. So maybe you're not wanting to be in this for the business. Maybe you're just a hobbyist, you love to craft, and you want your crafts at a discount. That is perfectly fine. You can join just for the discount if that's what you're wanting to do. So you get a 35% discount. So if you're wanting to build a business, you can do online sales and you get 25% up to 45% commission. So it depends on how much you sell in the month to whether or not you're going to get that 25 or 45. But you'll definitely get at least 25% commission off of all your online sales. We do have a craft club that's really great for promoting. You can, you know, get your friends together, craft together, and start earning off of a craft club that they get sent every month. So the craft club is a really great tool to promote with the business. We have no monthly quotas or sales that you have to do. Like I said, this is perfect if you just want to be a hobbyist, just want it for the discount, because you don't have to sell if you don't want to. So there's no quotas. So the only obligation that you have is the monthly website fee, and that's $10.99 a month. So that's really, other than buying your starter kit and paying the $10.99, that's the only thing Magnolia makes you do. Now, if you want to sell, if you want to do art craft shows, if you want to do vendor shows, if you know, whatever business you want to do, that's going to help you, you know, grow your business and get you that extra income. But that's all up to you on what you decide, what path you want to go with this business. But it's a great opportunity if you love crafting and you want to just some extra income. That's exactly, I actually started off just for the discount. So I love crafting. I was looking for something to do with my little girl. And I just saw somebody doing it. I was like, wow, our stencils are amazing. When you peel it off, you're like, how did that happen? You know, how did I do that? So I joined just to start crafting with my little girl, have something to do. And then guess what? I started sharing it, and I said, you know what? This is easy. I can just make a couple extra $100 a month on the side and doing stuff that I love. And so that's how I got started. It was just going to be a hobby, and now it's turned into a business for me. So I absolutely love this company. I love the owners. The creators that are inside Magnolia are so helpful. It's like they, you know, it's one big family here. And I feel like the owners, like I can go to the owners and reach out to them anytime I want, and they're going to message me right back and get back with me. So they are very approachable. They're very down to earth. I just can't say enough about the owners. I love them. And let me see, what else can I tell you? As far as the business directions. So a lot of people within Magnolia, we all have our own certain niche that we do. Not everybody does the same thing. We have some creators that just do online stuff. Like they're on Facebook, they go live all the time. They're showing the products. and they're selling online. So they're getting that commission from the website sales, you know, that 25 to 45%. They do that. Other people, they use the products and they make crafts. You know, they make all this stuff and then they'll take that to vendor shows. So they do, you know, arts and crafts festivals and vendor shows. And that's how they make their money. We have others that, let's see what else we have a lot that do classes, like sip and chalk and sip classes, or paint and pour classes. So they'll like get with their local brewery or coffee shop and say, hey, can I have a craft class at your place? And typically they'll say yeah, because it's going to bring in customers to them where they're going to sit and drink or whatever. And then you're allowed to do the craft class there. So a lot of our creators host craft classes, and we have like tons of DIY kits that are put together. They're made for you for craft classes. We have individual packets of paste, you know, that you can take to, let me show you. Like, so we have paste and ink in little packs that are perfect for the classes. So if you like hosting classes, making, you know, that connection with your community, if you've got a good community that likes to do that kind of stuff, this is the perfect company, you know, to partner with to do that. Especially, you know, with you getting that discount, and then you can charge whatever you need to for the classes. So those are, you know, some ideas of what you can do with the company. Oh, and you can also sell like the stencils themselves. Like, so if you purchase the stencils on our website with your discount, you can, if you have a booth somewhere, a lot of places now have these inside kind of like vendor booths that they keep there like year round. Some creators have the actual stencils up in their booths and they sell the stencils. And you can do that in arts and crafts fair, anything. So our stencils you can sell anywhere you want to. You can sell them on Etsy. There's no rules about selling them on Etsy. You can sell them on your website. You can sell them in vendor shows. You can sell them like if you have a storefront, if you own your own business and you just want to add a little collection over here for people to see, you can do that. So there's no rules about not being able to sell the stencils. So that's one thing I love about Magnolia. I say a lot. So I'm so glad you came into the group to find out a little bit more about Magnolia. I would love to answer any questions that you may have. And if you do decide to join, you know, you'll be on my team. I'm here. I'm very supportive. All my team, you know, they can basically get me almost any time during the day. I'm very responsive. So we've got a great little team. And I've got a great upline as well. So it's a good adventure for you if you're interested. And then so just let me know, and I'll be chatting with y'all later. Okay, thank y'all for watching.